Alright, how about number 13? Let's see, we're given the volume. So let's start by writing down the volume formula. Volume is 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. We're given the volume, so I'm going to take that 108 pi. I'm going to put in for volume right there. Notice the pi. Do not just write 108. Make sure you write 108 pi. So that's going to make 108 pi equals 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. Alright, we need to try to get r by itself, so I need to get rid of the 4/3 pi. So what am I going to do? That's right, I'm going to divide both sides by 4/3 pi to get rid of the 4/3 pi part. Okay, let me show you how this would look in your calculator. Okay, so I had 108 pi. Use my n over d button. Alright, now I need to do 4/3, so I'm going to use my n over d button again. 4/3 pi. So I have 108 pi divided by 4/3 pi. That gives me 81. Okay, so that gives me r to the third power. So that means r to the third power is 81. Now, if I want to get r by itself, I need to take the cube root of both sides. Alright? If I want to unsquare things, I do the square root. If I want to uncube things, I do the cube root. Don't forget to put the little 3 right here. Okay, so taking the cube root of r to the third power has the effect of getting r by itself. Now, the cube root of 81, okay, let's remember how we do cube root on the calculator. To do a cube root, you start with the 3. That's going to become the cube of cube root. Then I do second caret to get at this x root operation, which means any root. So now I can type 81. So now I'm doing the cube root of 81. Okay, the cube root of 81 is this number, which we will round to 4.33. Okay, so that's the radius. Now, we're supposed to find the circumference, though. Alright, well, if I want to find the circumference, I need to use the circumference formula. So circumference, as you recall, is 2 pi r. Now, I could have used pi d. I just would have doubled this, and that would be the diameter. Either way is fine. So circumference is 2 pi times 4.33. Okay. Alright, that gives me 27.21. Alright, and that is how you do number 13.